numerical integration. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible? Okay. Numerical
Yes, sir.
integration is applicable when the function is not integrable. Then we can go for this method. This is approximate integration methods, so that we can have the integration value that is very close to that, and we the engineers sometimes get some functions, and for that classical method may not help us. Then we have to go for this numerical integrations. In second module, in the syllabus, actually there are three modules. In the second module, the numerical solution for linear equations, and for that few methods are there, like Gauss elimination, Gauss-Seidel method, matrix inversion method, and there are so many other methods, like bisection method, Regula-Falsi method, Newton-Raphson method, etc. And in module 3, numerical solution for ordinary differential equation, and for that also we have to learn few methods like Euler's method, or 2-3 methods we have to learn. And this is very basic paper, and this syllabus belongs to basic science. And this paper, you have also lab also for these numerical methods, and lab class will be conducted by me and Shagato sir. Let us so we shall start lab class from 20th May. Okay. And for lab, all of you know the Python language?
So not everyone, I think, sir.
Hello? Okay. So it will be better, actually. It is not given that you have to learn Python. You can solve it with the MATLAB, C, Pascal, or Python. So we are planning to give you the lab problem, and you will be asked to solve with the help of Python, so that you will also learn the Python, because C already you know, isn't it? MATLAB also you will know a little bit, and that's why we are planning you will learn Python, and for that Shagato sir will give you the instruction for that Python minimum basics of the Python, and you will be given some problem related to the numerical methods, and you have to write the programs, and you have to send us the program with the results. That so that will be started after 20th of May. So let me consult with the Shagato sir, then he may take 1 or 2 class for lab for preparing you for the Python. Okay. Python language, because you have to know any of the language, but it will be better if you know Python. You will find some applications later on if you learn the Python. Okay. So now whether this any portion of this syllabus is already taught to you, that I want to, because I don't know what I have learned in the mathematics class. That syllabus I don't know. That's why. Anyone can tell me, then I can start in that fashion. If something is already covered, so we can skip for the time being, and we can start from other part. Anyone? Numerical integration, it is already taught in mathematics. Hello? Hello? Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm just checking, sir.
Okay. Numerical integration, is it taught in mathematics class already? No. Interpolation?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. I don't know the previous math syllabus. That's why I am asking. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Then we have to start from the beginning, actually. Otherwise, you will face some problem. And one more thing is that all of you know the number system. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Number system?
Yes, sir.
almost.
Yes, sir.
So binary, decimal, octal, hexadecimal, everything you know?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Because that will be required here. Number system clear knowledge. Okay. So number system you have learned in higher secondary or in digital electronics?
So last semester, sir.
Last semester,
All
okay.
of it, sir, taught us.
All,
Last
oh,
semester.
then it's good. Then number system. So you can represent any number in any base. Wasn't it? Any numerical value in any base system? Binary or hexadecimal or octal or decimal. Wasn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So number system, you know, interpolation, numerical integration, these are new to all of you, and remaining module 2 and module 3 also be new. And for these, basically, I shall follow, actually there are so many books you may find, textbook and reference books. So I shall follow the book for your class. Basically I shall follow the numerical methods by Grewal. Okay, though that is not included in this reference. So I shall follow the book written by B.S. Grewal and one more Datto and Jana. Okay. So any book, whatever book you will find, that you follow. That will be. And this subject is very easy, not very tough. But this subject has lot of applications in future. Whenever you will go to solve a real life problem, then you have to use this kind of means some equations you will find that you cannot solve by the classical mathematics. Then you have to go for this approximate mathematics, and that is basically numerical methods. So is to get the value very close to the actual value whenever we are not able to calculate the exact value. That is numerical methods. Okay, and later on also you will find some artificial intelligence in this numerical value in faster way. This is the classical method to find out the approximate value, and later on to speed up your device to calculate that numerical integration or to get the solution. This is not optimum solution, that is basically near optimum solution in a faster way, and that also you will learn later on if you choose some optional paper like artificial intelligence or neural network, fuzzy logic, etc. These are the technique to get the result of the numerical methods in a faster method. So this is the very basic, and it has lot of applications if you do go for research work. So this is very basic, you have to learn, and later on, depending on your requirement, you have to study some intelligent method like artificial intelligence, neural network, or some other methods. Okay. So today, this much I am not going to start. So next day we shall start with approximation in numerical computation. That first part of the module 1. And for that, so the book that is numerical methods by B.S. Grewal and Datto and Jana. And these two books generally I shall follow, but you may follow any of the books. Okay. So today this much. I am not going to start today actually basic syllabus from next day. And one thing for this class, I shall give you the notes for the basic. I shall solve 1 or 2 problem, and I shall send that problem, and I shall give you some assignment. Okay. So one problem we may solve, and we can different numerical methods, and after that I shall give you 4-5 assignment or problem to solve that you regularly solve and you may send it to me for checking. Okay, so next Wednesday, we shall start
Yes, sir.
at 11. Okay.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so today this much, just introductory class. So next day, it will be 1.5
Yes, sir.
hour class.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Sir, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Bye bye.